Over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to Amavenzo's TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Polokwane City 0. I'm joined by a friend, my proudly bitso ke mango tsa go ga.
Mashato la ke tswa gana mo shego.
Wena butu mang?
Mina uMaxwell ka Nkosi.
Thank you baba.
Ngibuya la esiko kodwa ngokuzalwa ngibuye eGoli.
Oh, eGoli man. Siqala kuphi le ndaba?
Nna ke thoma ka taba man of the match. Why every time ba ropa Sundowns ka man of the match? Kintolo re botse na kintolo re botse
Ya worry.
Can you go fucked up mara? Okay.
O ka nne wa.
Sorry. Ko hopola last Mokoena a gorile 2 goals. Ba taba fa golela ntwe kya Maru
Ya Maru
Galaxy.
Yeah.
Bamfa man of the match a korilwe 3 goals.
And the contribution and the ligu kora ilimangi Mokoena.
Mokoena gorile 2 goals. Asibe man of the match. A khona go share batho nani ntukinya go tsiba. Ba selector man of the match byang.
La bona ba e batla Sundowns.
And again.
Botse ka mo le ka bona wona le hate kwa towards Sundowns.
Rababone.
And into ba ska idea. Ani ya Sundowns kwana ye matching the whole nation. Rochester Subway. So the baska dia so.
Ba re ba lo menyetsa.
Ba re menyetse aragana, ba re menyetse mara ba bolele net. Ba bona cause ani ya jo bona ba selector lo tsa bona ka le thoyo. Ga sebe I gabe analyzing ke education. Why would get about mara ba brainwash about.
Ke a tswara.
Mara na pointega ne tsogri next time aba selector man of the match. Super sports ne la ka moka or whatever. Ba make a show repete ba selector lo tsa net. Pascal Ropa Sundowns the man of the match. Pascal dia lutse.
That means Timo Pirates ba khetha.
Timo Pirates le ma Chiefs. And ma Pirates le ma Chiefs ana tsoriagi. Gani ya jo na berlola lo tse digolo.
Chef.
Rola lo tse digolo. Na ra lo lo tse nyana.
Ba se flexible.
Na se flexible.
3 points. Mapagani ana le mo are o rekile referee ya today.
Kunjalo. Lalela. Akuna referee ethengiwe lana. Lalela ngikutshele ke mina. Bazothi ureferee uthengile ngoba ekagqoka ingubo zani ze Pirates. Angena. Kodwa ke bafethu asifeseni reality. iSundowns iyabetha. iSundowns iyabetha. Right now you can go to Europe whatsoever. The only team that they recognize in Africa is Mamelodi Sundowns. The only team which is ranking high in SA is Mamelodi Sundowns. You can go to Spain, England, Germany, wherever they will tell you about Mamelodi Sundowns. Do you understand? Right now, man of the match guys, Tibos eating you chair. The man of the match is Tibos Yahamba. Marcelo Allende. Thina njengamasandawana siyahlukumezeka when it comes to emagemini. Uyangithola? Thina basicindezela. Uyangithola? Angazi mhlawumbe sicindezelwe ngama-envelope noma yini asazi. Kodwa-ke thina basicindezela. Ma ungathatha ubhena wesithiwo uyakubona lokho engikushoyo mina. Uyangithola? Kodwa-ke i-Sundowns kumanje la e-South Africa ne asiyekeni ihambele singayicindezeli. Kwamanje i-Sundowns isibeke emephini yase-Europe kungendaba yani ye-Sundowns. Ungaya kuphi bathi i-Sundowns. Kwamanje ma ungabheka amaqembu akhona makhulu ikhosi ngiyalithanda i-Orlando Pirates ngiyayithanda angiwazondi namaqembu ngiyawasapota kodwa-ke bona-ke mina bese ngiyagxeka nayo into engiyigxekayo ma kudlala i-Sundowns idlala i-KF angithi i-Sundowns ma ungadlala i-Pirates noma i-Chiefs ku-KF ipostponda i-match kodwa ma udlala i-Pirates bayidlalisa same time kudlala i-Sundowns bayoyeseka kanjani iqembu elidlalela uMzansi Afrika ngoba Cedric ngoba ngaleso sikhathi uCedric ngaleso sikhathi i-Sundowns imele uMzansi Afrika why singalindi idlale iqede kodwa-ke akunankinga kodwa thina njengamasandawana sizoqhubekela
umbrella ye batho ba sa tlo e tshwara ngwaga ka moka rena a re fedile tja 2 re tja league re tja le CAF this year
league ilo chaya before because rena re fetsa league before
Tanki bafethu.
sure
Tanki bafethu.
Kabuyelo Marcelo
Alende.
Marcelo
Alende.
Marcelo
Alende.
Marcelo
Alende.
Marcelo
Alende. Tanki bafethu.